So that's what a collision says. It says there's something changing in the environment. Think of it as, you know, you're hitting a tennis ball across a court, and the ball's flying as expected, and then all of a sudden it slows down as it goes over the net. It just starts to just slow down all of a sudden. You can't see it, but it tells you, it's an indication that something's wrong with the air on top of that net, that the density of that air is thickened. There's a change. I don't know what that change is, but that's not normal. That's not what I would expect. This is how I'm using collisions. It's an indication that something's changing. There's a force that's coming in that's impacting how that ball should be flying. I don't know what it is, but now I have to be careful. Maybe on the next shot, I need to hit it harder to get it to go farther. Or on the next shot, there's an invisible force field and it might bounce back midair right over the net. And I need to be prepared for that. Silly analogy, but this is what a collision tells you. It's not really a measurable thing other than the value of the collision itself. You know, how do we come up with 30 or whatever that's in your trade size chart that we put out once a month? But that's what it is.